steel head frame. And so this head frame is the head frame that we'll use. So what we'll have is we'll have ropes that actually go to these sinking winches that you see behind you. Those are built into concrete foundations. And then behind that we have the one back there. And so what we've done is we've completed the pour. We're waiting for the concrete to cure. And you're starting to see forms. And then we set up that concrete barrier because, you know, if you think about how long this needs to function, 20 plus years, it needs to be really well built. So just approximately, I'm going to use approximate dates. By the calendar year 20.
Primarily zinc, yeah. The brownish mineral, you kind of see it in this one here. So this kind of brown mineral throughout, that's the sphalerite. That's what hosts the zinc mineralization.
Still heavier in the books.
Yeah, this one's 30.
And you said you're hoping that this site will be also for extraction too, right? Like of the zinc and then the manganese too.
So
right?
yeah.
So use the term.
So we would go out the north end of the facility rather than coming in the way we came.
Right by a tank that takes all of the water and comes into the plant. That goes into a feed tank. That feed tank comes to send out the clarifiers. The clarifiers filter this multimedia filters around and sending the electrocell circuit over there.
Maybe you want to do the odd and then we'll have Robert show you some